Hello again, brothers. This is the second in a series of videos showing how to use the Theocratic school timer. Today we will show how to properly use the highlights. When you first open the app, you are greeted with this page. This is the highlights page. And the first thing you want to start once the highlights start is the Start Meeting button. This is crucial because this affects the total time in the Report tab, and we'll talk a little bit about that later. So once you start the meeting, then you're going to want to immediately start the highlights. As you can see, this big number up here, the top one, first number, is the highlights. It shows the total time of it. This third number down here, this little one, this one shows the reviewer time. So after 2 minutes, the top number will turn red, indicating that the reviewer time has gone over his limit of time that he was supposed to take. So once that happens, then you come over here, and as you see, what used to say Start Highlights says Stop Review. You press that button, and it stops the time for the reviewer, as you can see here, as it is recorded. But the highlights time continues. And this will continue even past the 8 minutes if it so gets there. But it will turn red at those 8 minutes, indicating that the part should be done by then. So once those 8 minutes are up and you're ready to finish the highlights, finish that part, you would press Stop Highlights, and that would finish it. Now, the comments. After those 2 minutes, the rest of it are comments made by the brothers and the friends. So to start a comment, and this has to be done after every single individual comment, you press Start Comment, and as you see the second number over here, this one is the one recording the time for the brothers and the friends. And once it reaches, I believe, 20 or 25 seconds, it will turn orange, indicating that their time is about to be up. It's, yep, 20. And once it reaches 30, it will turn red. Now you're probably wondering, what are these little numbers down here? This one where it says comments, that indicates that the number of comments. And over here, the average, these are an average of the comments. So say we stop comment right there, as you see, it comes up here in this table view. And we will start another one just to show how the average starts. Say we stop it now. As you see, we made an average of it and how many comments were made. Now down here under transition to number 1, this is made for the council from the highlights over to the first part, which is the reading. So to start it, you press on it and it will start it, and then to stop it, you press the same button. So once you stop it, it gets recorded and it sends it over to the report tab. Let me show you that now. To get to the report tab, you press More, then up here, Report. And as you see, the highlights, 107. The reviewer time, 36 seconds. The number of comments, there were 2. The average comment time, which was 24. The transition to 1 was 11. And as you see, that total time is the same as that meeting time. So it's the total time that was taken from the start to the finish, 3:10. Okay, well that concludes our video for today. I hope it was helpful and informative as a proper way to use the highlights, as I know it can be a little bit confusing. But thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.